All right, so now for example number 1.
See what T6 was in my dream, I'm not kidding.
Example number 1. Shh, guys, recording.
The whole team.
It says find, I'm going to write this down. Write this down, you guys. Find two numbers. Find two numbers whose sum is 20 and whose product is as large as possible. And you say, well, what does this have to do with calculus? Well, it says find two numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge you guys. We have two numbers. Number 1, the first number is what? Heck, I don't know.
19.
It's x. Now, if I have two numbers whose sum, does it say consecutive numbers?
Nope. No.
Nope. Is x is equal to 20. Now, how do I figure out the second number?
5.
20 minus x, right? Does that make sense? So I would say 20 minus x. And we want the product as large as possible. So the product of these two things, if I write it as a function, f of x is equal to x times the quantity 20 minus x. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself. 20 minus x. I'm looking for large is the same as maximum value, isn't it? How do we find the maximum value? Take the derivative,
And then
find the zero, right?
Points.
So if I rewrite this, I've got f of x is equal to 20x minus x squared. So then f prime of x is equal to 20 minus 2x. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, if I set this equal to 0, I get 2x, whoops. I get 2x is equal to 20, or x equals 10. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So then my two numbers are 10 and
I told you, Joel.
20 minus 10, which is 10. Does it say that they can't be the same number?
No.
No.
I'd like to point out that I was right, and Joel told me no.
I'm not quite sure what that means. All right, any questions on that?